Hi guys, today we've got this messy curly bun hairstyle which is much easier than it looks. I've started by leaving some hair out to frame the face, and I'm going to divide the rest of the hair from ear to ear. Pop the top half into a high ponytail using a clear elastic band. Now just clip this out of the way for later, and we're going to make one more ponytail about mid-ear height. So you should have two ponytails. Okay, so move that top ponytail up and out of your way for now. And what I'm going to do is take this bun donut, and if you look, there's stitches that hold it together. So I'm just going to snip those stitches all the way round, and then you should be able to unravel that donut. Then I'm just going to fold it in half, and then in half again to make a rectangle shape. And I'm going to secure this to the head in between those two ponytails using as many bobby pins as needed. And starting on that ponytail at the bottom, we're going to do a twist. So split it in half and wrap the sections around one another, and then secure it with a clear elastic band. And we're going to now add some texture spray to the top of the head and just pinch and pull the hair at the top for a bit more texture. Then we're going to do the same twist on that top ponytail, making sure that we secure it off with another elastic band. Okay, so take that bottom twist and we're going to bring it up the right hand side of that padding and secure it all the way along the side with as many pins as needed. And we're going to take it up and over the top of that ponytail and down the left hand side, securing it as we go. And then just tuck the ends underneath the padding and secure into place. Now with the other twist, we're going to move it right over to the left hand side as close to that as possible. And again, secure it with as many pins as needed. Now with the tail ends that are left at the bottom, we're just going to bring those up and fill in that gap in the middle. So pull it upwards and secure it along the length of that twist. If you've got any tail ends left over, all I'm going to do is bring this around to the opposite side and tuck them underneath one of those other twists, securing them with bobby pins as we go. Now grab some texture spray and apply it all over the bun. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then we're really going to go to town by pinching and pulling every loop and twist of this hairstyle to make it more voluminous. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.